The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O, the R, the K. Look yourself in the face. Look yourself in the mirror. Ask yourself, are you giving 120% every day? Every play? Give me 120 or don't give me nothing at all. The guy you competing against, you haven't outworked him. You've not outworked the person next to you. You've not out-hustled them. You've not out-grind them. You've not outdone them. You're not locked in. Bring all your passion. Bring heart. Every single game, every single play. Put forth 120% or don't ask nobody to do nothing to you. The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody this Monday morning? What's going on, Dr. Rob? Good morning, MMAI family. Good morning, family. Good morning. Elmo, good morning. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Good morning, XXI. How are you? How is everybody? I hope everybody is good this morning. I hope everybody's waking up, ready to take on this week. Looks like it's going to be one of them weeks, guys. One of them weeks, unpredictable week. A lot of stuff coming our way this week. A lot of stuff going on this week in the markets. A lot of stuff we got to look forward to. Elmo, man, how the heck are you, man? Hope you're doing well. Hope XXI is doing well. Hope Dr. Rob's doing well. Hope everybody's doing well. We got a lot to get into this week for the markets, guys. A lot of earnings coming in. You got the Berkshire Hathaway meeting coming up. Got some Fed stuff coming up this week. Got a lot of stuff going on in the markets this week, guys. So, it's gonna be one of them up and down weeks, man. Elmo, I'm good, man. I'm good. Gambling Pepe, yeah, me too. I've been gambling a little bit on Pepe too. You know, me and Pepe's making me some money. But it's a gamble. So I threw some money there and gambled. So, it's paying off. Killed a zero last night. Where I'm trading at on MEXC. So yeah, we're gonna get into some of this JP Morgan. So over the weekend, guys, First Republic Bank kind of collapsed. We've been talking about this a lot here on the channel. Told you guys this was going to happen. Told you guys to watch out for this. A lot of the bankers are saying that this is the last bank to collapse. I don't believe that. The reason why First Republic collapsed, they had a bunch of mortgages and loans that were basically taken out during what I call a zero interest rate era, where Feds kept rates so low that banks were basically giving loans away at zero interest. And First Republic was sitting on a ton of these mortgages. That was their business, was mortgages, and for small businesses, medium businesses, and homes. They owned a lot of these loans. When you give them away at almost a zero interest rate, I consider anything from 0 to 3 basically zero. You look at this and their balance sheets are wrecked. There was billions of dollars that poured into this bank to try to save it. Couldn't save it. You can't save if your business is dying, it's dying. If your balance sheets are bad, they're bad. At the end of the day, it is what it is. But it's interesting that JP Morgan bought it because I'm waiting for the reports to come out today. JP Morgan owned over 10.1%. of First Republic, and usually when you own over 10.1% of a bank or any asset, you can't become the primary buyer if it comes up for liquidation. So over the weekend, there was some shady business. I don't know if it's shady. I don't know what it was, but we're going to find out today between the government and First Republic and some of these other banks. PNC Bank was also in the bid for First Republic. So wasn't Bank of America. I think Bank of America was the first one to bow out, and then PNC Bank, and then obviously JP Morgan scooped it up. So there had to be some sort of suspension of the rules for this deal to happen. So it'd be interesting to see if the government actually forced the other banks out so that JP Morgan could buy it, or if the other banks just didn't want anything to do with it. But JP Morgan continues to get bigger. They can continue to swoop up these assets at pennies on a dollar, basically. About $13 billion is what the government will assist JP Morgan with for buying out First Republic. So again, that's $13 billion of your tax dollars going for another bank bailout here, guys. So keep that in mind as we move forward. But I don't think that this is the last one. I think this market's going to force some other mid-tier banks to be in the same situation. So we'll see what happens as we move forward. But all of this stuff that we're talking about, it only kicks the bull run further down the road, in my opinion. I don't think that the cryptocurrency market can be in a bull run when a stock market's in a recession. And we're getting ready to hit a recession. I don't believe that the two can go hand in hand. That's just my opinion. Other people have other opinions. We'll just see what happens. But stock market itself doesn't look too bad today. The Dow has been flipping between green and red most of the morning. The S&P just went green couple seconds ago as we were talking, actually. And the NASDAQ still sitting in red. But you see this gray here. That just means that it's actually even. So, these things have been flipping between red and green, all morning. I think the stock market's going to wake up this morning. They're going to look at this First Republic news, and they're going to actually think that this is probably positive news. So you may see a halfway decent day in the stock market today. What's up, Big Watch dude? How are you? Good morning, man. I hope your weekend was well. I hope you're well. I hope everything is good. So, here we are. See, S&P just flipped back to red. These things been flipping between red and green all morning, which basically tells me that they're even. The crypto fear and greed index sitting at greed right now, but this is a lagging indicator, as we'll get to here in a minute. Right now, actually, you look at the total market cap of cryptocurrency right now, sitting at about 1,180 billion, somewhere in there. Told you that 1,200 billion is that sweet spot right now for Bitcoin to hold its value. And you can see Bitcoin's got a lot of downward pressure in it right now, sitting at 28,500. So that market cap's got to come up. So you reveal yet, Big Watch? Big Watch reveal. Dr. Rob, you still on that Pepe train? Yeah, I'm on that Pepe train too, Big Watch. I got on with some gambling money though. I agree, Daniel. Still see that Dow turn coming. Yeah, I think there's a downturn coming too in the market. I don't think that we're out of the woods yet. I think that there's a lot of downward pressure in this market, both stock market and crypto market. Not at Dr. Rob is their site back up. Big Watch back up and running, man. What's good? Big Watch? my my 80 bucks at 394 in Pepe. Yeah, me and Pepe been hanging out a little bit and doing okay over there. You know, I threw a couple $100 at it, and it's doing okay right now. So it's back up. What's up, XXI? Everybody saying what's up to each other. Cool. So Beaver Lumber, good morning. I hope your weekend was well. Hope you're good. Yeah, but we talk about this, guys, a lot. Right now, that 1,200 billion is that sweet spot, and we're not there yet. And that's why you see this downward pressure in this market. Bitcoin's got some downward pressure to it. Ethereum sitting at $1,845 with some downward pressure to it. BNB is actually the one in the top three that's holding up pretty well right now, sitting at $334. It's actually holding up really, really well over the 24 hours. Out of the top big three, it's the only one in green. It's up about 3%. So BNB has been hanging. It's been hanging in there pretty good. XRP continues to hang out below that 50-cent mark, about 46 cents. There's some downward pressure in XRP. I think XRP is going to drop lower. Just the case is just taking way too long. People have their money sitting in there for way too long, and people are starting to pull out. And I don't necessarily blame them. I'm not going to, but I don't blame them. It's been a long time. Polygon sitting at 98 cents. I did a video on Polygon this weekend. Polygon had a major partnership. So Polygon is one of these ones that are just kind of sitting there. They're hanging out. They just continually make partnerships. They continually make more and more big name partnerships. So it'll run, but right now nothing's really running. It's back under $1 at 98 cents. I'm a buyer under $1, so I bought some yesterday. I don't think I'll buy any today. We'll see where it drops to though. I got my initial investment out of Pepe. Yeah, Big Watch. I got my initial investment out too. Now I'm just kind of riding. I'm riding the train, seeing where it goes. Dropped to zero, like I said, dropped to zero last night on MEXC. That's where I have mine at. So I'm pretty good with it this morning. Got my initial investment out of Pepe Sunday afternoon. Sorry, my bad. Sunday afternoon when it ran up into the 7 area. So I'm just kind of riding it right now. Selma, good morning, brother. How are you? Hope all is well. Hope your weekend was well. Hope you're doing well. Big watch. Don't want it to be on like bro. I was like, damn, why four cars? Yo, man, them cars are gonna be valuable, XXI. You got 4 of them, man. But that I think they're gonna be valuable, man. I tell you what, I got 2 cars and I got the electronic billboards downtown. That's what I unveiled. I was really happy to get the electronic billboards, building billboards downtown. I'll be selling advertisement here pretty soon, as soon as they go live. So, anybody needs some advertisement, tell them to come see me. They can't see Rob because he don't have one. So they got to come see me. Big watch. Let me know what you get. Yeah, Big Watch. Let us know what you get, man. I want to know. Like I'm interested to know what everybody got. I want everybody to win. So I want somebody to reveal that stadium that's been in the project for a while. So that's I do. I want somebody to win big. So, um, having cars ain't bad. But damn, but damn, four. Yeah. Well, they're gonna be four different cars. Hopefully, you know what I mean. Like, hopefully XXI, you get some different cars, you get some different experiences. Some cars are gonna become real valuable when the racing game comes out. So I think like I said before, them billboards and things like that, they could be weekly or monthly income for people. Um, but uh, but I think them cars may be daily or hourly income for you. Uh, Daniel, I got one ad billboard. You got a XXI? Did you get a ad billboard downtown? One of the big ones, on the building, or did you get one of the ones with four sides to it? Um, Hey XXI Gaming, it's like good blessings. You're you're with uh you're with four cars. You're with four. It is good blessings, man. I didn't think that there was a bad drop in there for anybody to get. You know what I mean? I really didn't. I think that every drop is good. Um, Three cars, booth, and in a store. Yeah, yeah, Rob. You didn't get that. You didn't get that billboard. But Rob, Rob, it's okay, man. Like, if you have any advertisers lined up, just tell them to come see me. We can make that ad happen. You know, I'll be buying. I'll be buying some. I'll be buying some billboards. You don't gotta buy them. Just tell them to come see me. We can make that ad happen. They're not completely out. There's options here. Lena, how are you? Good morning. I hope your weekend was well. Um, the big one, like the highway billboards. Oh, okay. I got the one downtown on the buildings downtown. Um, you know, so Clint, good morning. How are you? Hope your weekend was well too. Lena, everybody saying hi to everybody. Um, bro, chill, bro, chill. I ain't I ain't got I ain't got kids. I ain't got kids yet. I ain't got kids yet. You putting you putting four girls, four girls. Hey, XX. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. That's Big Wise do. Um, so Lena's here this morning. Lena's here this morning. She had a good weekend. I think everybody had a good weekend. Um, but the markets got some downward pressure in it today, guys. But I do think that the stock market will turn around once they wake up. I think that they'll look at that First Republic deal as being a good deal. It's kind of one of these banks. Now you don't have to talk about it anymore. Now it's done. The deal's done. And they can move on. But I don't think that this is the last one to happen. I think we're going to get more pressure in the market. Boy, look at that. Pepe over the day is up 104%. Look at that big old green candle. Everything else is in the red on the 24-hour. And this is what I think is driving Pepe right now. The market has been down for so long. People are looking to get into some of these plays and just have fun with them and go back to that whole meme coin aspect of crypto for a little while. We've been buying so many blue chips and into stable projects. I think people are just ready to have a little bit of fun and degen into some stuff, and I think that's kind of what's driving Pepe right now. And I think that's what's good. Stats, Rob. We're sitting there right around when I looked this morning. 3,790 something watch hours, almost to that 3,800 mark. 771 subs, and we're moving along well. I put out a couple of videos this weekend. Got really good response. Looked at my stats. A lot of people that are watching them aren't subs yet, so hopefully that sub count goes up as the day moves on. YouTube is behind though. I was looking at the last time they updated their stats. It was probably about 37, 38 hours ago. So they're behind. I had this disgraceful weekend. I got in for yeah. I heard you. I went back and watched and I went back and listened to Doc's space when we were reviewing stuff, and you know, he didn't even tell me he opened up a space, but um I think I think I think he didn't want me there anyways. Hey Big West, you Lena made $50. Lena made 50 bucks. Lena, you and Pepe too? I threw some money in there. Get him Big Watch. Big Watch clouding on XXI. I think that this is funny. Real mate girls. Get him Big Watch. Get him Big Watch. More like 600. Hey, make that money, Lena. Make that money. Seiko, we are up. We are at it, brother. You up? I'm glad you up too. I hope your weekend was good. What's good? What's good, Lena? Let me get that store. XXI wants that store. You gonna have to come up out of one of them cars for that store, Lena. I mean XXI. You know what I mean? You're gonna have to get rid of one of them cars, which means you ain't gonna be able to be riding these girls around, man. Hey Daniel. I watched MasterCard video. I bet you Visa. Yeah, MasterCard, for people that don't know, hooked up with a bunch of blockchains, Polygon, Avalanche, Solana, a bunch of blockchains to do credentialing for cryptocurrency. So MasterCard has always been a little bit ahead of the game when it comes to crypto and in the credit card industry. And this was a great move to do some credentialing with these blockchains for payments. So I think MasterCard's kind of setting the tone for this. Visa will do much of the same. Visa is not going to get left behind in this arena. But Visa has a long way to go to catch up with MasterCard. MasterCard has been investing in cryptocurrency technology for a while, and Visa's got a long way to go. But MasterCard definitely is stepping up their game when it comes to cryptocurrency investments. They actually have a division for cryptocurrency exploration. 1,000 ETH. Lena, come on now. That's a stadium. Yeah. Seiko, yeah, we're all kind of playing around in Pepe. We all kind of have degened into that. When we look at it, like I said, I got some play money in there. I took my initial investment out, kind of letting it ride, seeing what's going to happen. I think Pepe is one of these tokens that'll run. I think people are just sick and tired of everything just trading sideways, and just kind of chilling out. People want some action, and Pepe's giving them that action right now. So I'm holding Pepe. I'm holding Pepe until I sell it for Bone. for 8,000. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna hold my Pepe until something changes. Like, cause right now I'm just riding it for free. So until something changes, I'm just kind of riding it. We'll see where it goes. But I think there's a lot of pent up trading energy in the market right now where people just want that. They want some action. Um, baby Doge, and AI Doge. Selma, I heard of AI Doge. I heard that it's pumping. I heard that it's making a lot of people a lot of money. Um, I didn't get into AI Doge early on. I think it may be a little too late to get in there now, but you know, um, I just think but I heard it's doing well. Let's ride the team Pepe. Yeah, I mean we're gonna see what Big Watch. We're gonna see what happens with Pepe. Like you know, I, I I haven't really heard of anything negative outside of the wallets, the top 5 wallets being dev wallets and holding a lot of money. But you know what? With zero taxes on a token, you have to expect that the devs got in early. I mean, they got to get paid too, and you got to get paid for your services. They got to get paid too. I don't necessarily disagree with that. I mean, they're not taking taxes, so you got to make some money somewhere. Um, I was just bored. So I got into Pepe. Yeah, Dr. Rabbit. I think that's what's happening with a lot of people. A lot of people are just, they want that action right now. They're just bored. You know what I mean? So um, I just think it's time. It's time, and that's why I think meme season is kind of gonna roll through here. Just because there's a lot of that trading mentality out there. Um, it's all it's all love XXI. Yeah, we know Lena. So my Pepe sexy. My Pepe's kind of sexy too. Uh, Wade Watts. Good morning, Wade. Good morning, Watts. How are you? Um, how do you think Metropolitans will do today on the pre-sale? I think that they'll do well. I think Metropolitans pre-sale will probably sell out. Um, Probably within the day. I think that they'll do well. I think that Metropolitans put a lot of money behind advertisement. I think that they'll sell out their pre-sale. Um, Point 0.1 ETH is the minimum buy, so it's not that high. So I think that they'll do well. 16 people here. Hit the like button. Hit that like button, guys. Push us up in the old algorithm. It's one of the reasons I was doing a little research this weekend. My sub count kind of went down because I had to take some time off. I kind of fell out of the algorithm a little bit. We had a good run, so trying to get back up in that algorithm. And so we will. My 200 is 5K. It's 5K holding until 6 billion 6 billion market cap. Okay, Seiko, go ahead, man. I hope Seiko, I hope you're taking some profits though. I hope you're not holding it on. Hope you take your initial out. You know, secure your money. It's in. It's in. Uh, hey Daniel. Exactly. They told us right up front the that this is for entertainment purposes. They did. Pepe said it right up front that this was. If you look at their website, basically says the same thing. So you know, sent you something, Doc. Okay, Lena sent you something, Doc. Watson, private already. 2x, 2x some dead projects, devs behind that thing. Yeah, that's what we're hearing. I think the pre-sale do well though. I think they put enough money behind marketing that they'll probably sell out their pre-sale. But at the end of the day, in order for that to survive, they have to deliver. And that's what any project you have to deliver, right? Everyone covering Pepe now. More big exchanges. Yeah, Seiko. Everybody's covering Pepe. That's why you don't see me covering Pepe. Like I mean, I don't necessarily cover a lot of meme coins, anyways. But I'm gonna let them guys do their thing. Cover Pepe. Okay. I'd take at 1,000,000,005. Yeah, I always like to get my initial out of any project. There's a time to get your initial out and then ride the wave up. That's kind of what I did. Like I said, I took my initial out on Sunday when it pumped up to the sevens. I took my initial out and I let the rest ride, and I'm doing okay. I bought more Jasmine. Big watch. I'm going to buy Jasmine. The more and more research that I'm doing on Jasmine, the more and more I'm looking at Jasmine as a play that I want to get into. I was in it and I got out of it, but Jasmine is going to be one of them plays that I think is going to be big as these markets start to open up. So I'm gonna get into Jasmine on the next down. On the next downside, I have a price point that I'm going to get into Jasmine at, it moved from my list to my short list to my buy list real fast. COO DM Timsky, what's up, man? Good morning. Dr. Rob Daniel cover Pepe for these subs, bro. I was thinking about it. Thought crossed my mind this weekend. I might. We'll see. If you guys see me putting out Pepe videos, you know what the deal is. About to go heavy on Jasmine. I'm getting back into Jasmine. I think Jasmine's at a bargain price. I do think that when the market goes down, I do think that when the market goes down a little bit, it will go down, and I have my entry point. But I'm definitely gonna get back into Jasmine. You guys will start to see me cover Jasmine a little bit at Dr. Rob. Agree. Yeah. All right. So you guys agree that I need to cover Pepe. All right. Maybe I'll cover Pepe. Curtis, good morning. Good morning, Curtis. If you guys want me to cover Pepe, I'll probably cover some Pepe. Jasmine's XXI, I think so. Jasmine coming out with a lot of stuff. So definitely I'm gonna get into Jasmine. Jasmine is gonna be one of them long-term holds though. It's not gonna be. I'll probably have 2 wallets of Jasmine. One for long term, one for a short term. My Pepe bag is looking nice. Curtis, my Pepe bag's looking nice too. I cannot complain about my Pepe bag at all. You know, I love it. But like I said, I think that this is one of these tokens, man. People, we're just kind of waiting for this next meme to come up. This next meme that everybody just wants to have fun with. Um, I think and I think, you know what, sometimes you gotta have fun. And I think, Pepe's fun, man. Uh I watched almost every chart, every chart, short Pepe video. They're from last 2 weeks. Yeah, Pepe's got a lot of people are covering Pepe. Um, so no, I haven't. I haven't checked. I haven't checked today. But yesterday I was doing. I was doing. The site's back up and running today, Curtis. You should be able to reveal today if you want to. OT. Okay. OKX. Yeah, Pepe's about to get listed on another big exchange. So um I think Pepe's got more big exchanges in it. So I think I don't think Pepe's done pumping yet. That's the thing. Uh Pepe's market cap is over 500 mil. And in the I think Pepe's somewhat. I think Pepe's got more pump in it. I think it's. I don't think it's done. I think there's a lot. There's a lot there. Okay, thank you, Curtis. Okay, thank you. No problem. No problem, bro. So Curtis. Yeah, I think that Pepe's got a lot more market pump in it. I think there's a lot more people are going to be putting money in it. And people are talking about the devs pumping the charts and things like that. But people got to understand too. I don't think that a lot of people realize that Pepe does have a market maker attached to it. And when you're on exchanges and you have a market maker, the market maker kind of sometimes looks like a bot because it's buying and selling from different exchanges and decks to kind of level the price out the best that it can, so that there's no so that it can try to eliminate some of the market manipulation and arbitrage on the exchanges. So when you look at it, some of them are probably front running bots. There's probably a lot of front running bots in Pepe, but some of that is market making too. Some of that is the market maker doing some buying and selling on them charts. So not everything is as it appears. Do it now, and tell us. Yeah, Curtis, tell us what you got, man. We want to know. Good morning, MMAI family. Aaron, good morning. Good morning. I hope your weekend was well. I hope you're well. Everything I bought, more Pepe. I had Gino, Tom D, DJs, song. You was pumping it up, man. You was pumping it up, Big Watch. Man, Big Watch, I gotta tell you, man, like this whole time that you kind of was like MIA on us, man, we missed you, man. I missed you. Missed your comments, missed you just being like the dude you are, like always making people laugh. Like, so just want to let you know we was worried about you for a minute, man. Pepe is pumping. Yeah, Pepe is pumping, man. We do like Pepe. So you guys are telling me that I need to cover Pepe. Maybe I'll cover Pepe today. Um, Pepe Pepe is Pepe is a pump is a pump and dump, but it will drop some zeros. Pepe will drop some zeros. There's a lot of pressure. There's a lot of buy pressure in Pepe, and like I said, and like I said, guys, this is one of them. Everybody was ready for this, man. The whole market was ready to. The market's been trading sideways for so long, and that's not a bad thing. We've been able to DCA into a lot of these big projects at prices that we didn't think that we were going to be able to DCA into them. But I think it's time. Let's go to the hourly. Let's see what's going on. I think it's been time where we got some meme coins out here to really pump the market up and allow people to have fun. And I think that's what's going on. And I'm all about it. A lot of people think I'm completely against meme coins. I'm really not. I want people to invest in them the smart way, right? Don't take money out of good projects to throw at a meme coin. Take new money and throw it at a meme coin, and take money that you can afford to lose. But make sure you get your initial out of there too. Have some price points. No telling. I'll invite you. I'll invite you to the group opening. You gonna invite me to the group opening, Aaron? All right. Big watch, dude. Big watch dude can't be hiding. Can't be hiding no more. No, he can't hide, man. Enough of that, man. Some of FUD, Aaron, Rob, yeah. So Aaron, I heard you, bro. I hear you, bro. Yeah. Ready for the BTC. Ooh, that just jumped on me. Ready for the BTC super cycle. Next year, Aaron, I think we're gonna get it. I think the markets has so much down pressure in it that it's gonna be hard, guys. It's gonna be hard to pump this market up with everything that's going on around us. I think that the United States is going to hit a recession pretty soon, and I think we're already in a recession, but they'll officially call it a recession here pretty soon. I think the European nations are getting ready to go into a recession as well, so going to be hard for these markets to pump. But I think things like Pepe, things like AI Doge, things like that keeps the market interesting, keeps people in it, keeps people really focused on crypto. So I think this is a really good thing. Real projects are getting hurt. Are getting hurt off of people. Yeah, they are, Rob. Real projects are getting hurt. People are pulling money out of there, and that's why I just say, when we're playing, that's why people think, I say these things and I hate memes, and I really don't. I just want people to be smart. You know what I mean? I just want people to not lose their position in a solid project, and pull that new money. Aaron, Pepe is a high volume play, and very risky. You get in and you get out with a play like that. Somo I couldn't have said it better. I think you're right on the money. You get in, you get out. You at least take your initial. You know what I mean? You at least take your initial out. You at least secure your money, and then like I did, I'm letting the rest ride to a certain point, and we'll see. And if if it happens to drop lower, and I see some more some more buying pressure in it, you know, I'll dump a little bit more money in it and flip it quick. I got a store. Curtis got a store. Dr. Rob, Curtis got a store. You hear that, XXI? Curtis got a store. Let's go. Let's go, Curtis. Yes, I'm pumped, man. Listen, man, when you guys start revealing this stuff, I get just as happy for you guys as I was for myself because, you know, we've been in this thing for a long time. You know what I mean? We've been in MMAI for a long time. We've been in this thing. Um, we've watched some development. We've watched this thing kind of roll out, and you know, a lot of us have been here for a long time. So I get pumped for people winning. I can't complain about that. No, Curtis, you can't complain about a store. Hey DG, what do you think about the crypto bill that they've Big Watch? What I think about the crypto bill that they introduced, I don't think it'll pass. I think it's one of these things where I think they need to take a step back and really decide what they want to do with cryptocurrency. I think the Coinbase case is going to play a bigger role than what people think when the SEC really has to come out and start defining some of this stuff. And I think the House and the Senate will take their lead off of that. I don't see a crypto bill getting passed until probably after the elections. Yes, guys, hit that like button, man. Push us up in the old algorithm. And celebrate wins. We got to celebrate our wins, guys. Doesn't matter what project you're in. Doesn't matter what you got going on. Every time that project does something positive, celebrate that win. You know what I mean? Because this cryptocurrency market is so negative all the time that you have to celebrate the positive that's in it. You have to celebrate the wins in these projects because that's what keeps everybody motivated. That's what keeps everybody going. Eddie T is in the building. What's up, Eddie? How are you, brother? Yo, Curtis, I got what you need. XXI said, I got what you need, Curtis. Curtis, you need cars, man. Yes, smash that like button. Thank you, Eddie. Eddie, I'm glad you're with us this morning, man. I hope your weekend was great. I seen you in a couple spaces this weekend, so I know you're out there grinding. So, big ups to Eddie out there grinding. I see you in some spaces. I see what you're doing out there. Appreciate you, man. Curtis Swap XXI, that store for a car. If you want, yeah, XXI got the lock on the cars, man. Big Watch. But yeah, Big Watch, going back to that bill, I don't think we're going to see any cryptocurrency regulation until after the elections. I think, but I think we're going to get some, right? I think we're going to get some regulations. I think that we're due. I don't think that the current regulations that we have here fit, cryptocurrency. I think they're going to have to go ahead and rewrite some of them. And I don't necessarily think that's a bad thing. I mean, we're operating with regulations that were created in the Stone Age, right? They don't fit what the country's trying to do and where the country's trying to go, or the world for that matter. And if they don't, then the United States will get left behind because other countries are taking full advantage of the situation. So they're going to have to do something. I think they recognize that. What you reveal, Eddie? Yeah, Eddie, what you get, man? We were just talking about that the other day. We were like, where is Eddie and what did he reveal? Dr. Rob, we were just talking about that too. But I think at some point, Big Watch, this has got to come into play, right? So that the regulations, and I think Coinbase I believe, and some people, can disagree with me. I believe that the Coinbase lawsuit will have a bigger impact on the cryptocurrency market than the XRP lawsuit. Elmo, your Hex is doing okay right now. It's up 1.4%. It's in the green. It's one of the few that are in the green. But guys, look, MMAI here. The site is back up. It is running. Go in there, reveal what you have, find out what you guys have, and the site's up, it's running. It doesn't cost you any gas. It's free to find out. You go in there, connect your wallet. What I found to be most beneficial when doing this is not only connect your wallet, but open up the NFT in your wallet. Open up that NFT. I think that it goes a little bit faster when the NFT is actually open. So I think that's what worked for me. I know Coinbase Wallet is an issue. Coinbase Wallet's always an issue. So that doesn't surprise me. So if you're having issues with your Coinbase Wallet, try to mirror it over to a SafePal wallet or Trust Wallet. I found the best success for me was actually doing it in my TrustPal wallet and my Trust Wallet. I'm sorry, my Trust Wallet, and actually it worked the best. And that hurts me to say that because I'm a big SafePal guy, but I think Trust Wallet actually worked the best. Yeah, I'm eager to know what Eddie's got. I'm eager to know what Eddie's got too. Not worried about Hex. I know Elmo, you got in Hex so at such of a great price that I know it's one of them ones you probably don't even watch the chart at DG. That's interesting. What makes you think that it will have a bigger impact? I think it'll have a bigger impact because of what they're asking for. Coinbase's lawsuit is all about putting the SEC on blast and having them really clearly define what they're using to regulate cryptocurrency in general. And there's a piece in that lawsuit that not a lot of people are concentrating on, and I keep trying to bring it to everybody's attention, where Coinbase in that lawsuit states that the current regulations that are in place do not fit the cryptocurrency industry, and they want to know how the SEC is going to deal with this situation. So they want an answer from the SEC about how they think that the current regulations fit, and if they don't, what they're going to do. And not a lot of people are putting a lot of concentration on that. And I think that that's one of the biggest pieces in the lawsuit, where the XRP case, you're just going to get a definition on what's a security and what's a commodity, possibly. But with the Coinbase case, they're going after the overall cryptocurrency regulation. So that's why I think it's going to have a bigger impact. And plus, it doesn't start at trial, Big Watch. It starts in the appellate court. So you don't have to go through all the briefings. You don't have to go through all the depositions. You don't have to go through all the paperwork back and forth. You're going to go into court. You're going to have some arguments. You're going to have some amicus briefings, and then the judge is going to make a ruling. So in reality, this case, the Coinbase case, should go so much faster than the XRP case as well. You may actually get a Coinbase ruling before you get an XRP ruling. So that's why I say that. Keltra, good morning. Heats, good morning. Good morning. But yeah, that's why I say that. Big Watch. And I think that there's a lot at play. Like people are so concentrated on this XRP case because it's been around for a long time. But events sometimes other cases come up that are actually that'll supersede that. So I think that's kind of where we are with Coinbase. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go this morning. There's really not a lot of big news. We've been on for about an hour. There's really not a lot of big cryptocurrency news, other than the fact that there's a lot of sell pressure in cryptocurrency right now in the big ones. You're looking at Bitcoin at 28.5 still, and Ethereum sitting around 1,800. So there's a lot of sell pressure in these big ones. But again, let's enjoy the wins today. Pepe's doing great. It's down on the hour, 2.8%, but it's up 93.99% on the day. So Pepe's doing great. You have MMAI's reveal is back up. Eddie T keeps holding out on us. So we'll see what happens with Eddie T. We'll get him on a space here pretty soon, and he can tell us what he got. But it's up. Pepe's the obviously the leader in the clubhouse right now, sitting at 93.6% on a 24-hour, man. I hope people play this for what it is. Play it for what it is. Play this for a gamble. Play this for some fun and make some money in the process. And I think Pepe has brought a lot of life back into cryptocurrency, which I'm actually happy to see. I think it's brought a lot of that, good vibes back, and that's a good thing. So congratulations to everybody who's in it making money. And I think I just think that this is all a good thing, guys. But pay attention to the market today, guys. Look at the stock market just flipped all red. So pay attention to the market today, guys. I think it's going to be down a little bit. I think we're going to see a lot of sell pressure in the markets. I do think First Republic's going to play a big role in what happens today. Either the stock market at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time is going to open up and see this First Republic JP Morgan deal as a negative, and there's going to be a massive bank sell-off, or they're going to see this as a positive, and you're going to see these markets start to flip. So, pay attention, but there's a lot going on this week. I'll bring it to you every morning here at 7. There's a lot going on with the Feds. There's a lot going on with a lot of these markets that we have. And it sounds like you guys want me to start covering Pepe. So maybe I'll start that today. If you get a Coinbase ruling before Ripple ruling, will that pump XRP price? Big watch, it very well could. If you get a Coinbase ruling before the XRP ruling, the judge could take that into consideration, and you could see a XRP pump off of that. Selmo, how are you? Oh, hello, Seiko. Just want to get to you guys' last thing. Okay, yeah, 11 a.m. Twitter Space today, guys, with Dr. Rob on MMAI. We're gonna do that tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. We have a Twitter Space with myself and Wadi and Rob, and Crypto Lounge drops by. So we just do some general crypto talk, not recorded. And we just talk about anything and everything crypto. It's a good time. XXI is usually rolling through there, and dropping some of his knowledge as well. And I encourage everybody to grab the mic, but I encourage everybody to be there at 11 o'clock today at Dr. Rob's Crypto Space 2. Grab that mic. Tell us what you got. Come up, celebrate the wins. Celebrate the wins with everybody. So, let's all support each other. Daniel is still worth getting in Pepe. I think Pepe is going to pull back a little bit, Elmo. So wait for the pullback. What Pepe's been doing is it's just been setting new, higher lows and higher highs, all the way up. I think it's got some pump left in it. Will you get that 1000x on your return through Pepe if you get in now in the next dip? Probably not. But could you 10x your money? Probably. It's got a lot of pump left in it. 100K holders. 100K holders for Pepe this week. Yeah, I don't think Pepe's done. Pepe will continue to go up. Yeah, Dr. Rob, I agree with you. So Elmo, everybody's saying the same thing. It's going to continue to go up. I wouldn't buy it right now because it's 95% up on a day. I'd see where it's going to level off at. And Elmo, you know what you're doing. Flipping this, flipping Shib this week. Oh, Curtis, that's a little out there, Curtis. Yeah, Pepe, Shib's a top 10 meme coin. Not crypto FUDs 97.59. Wait, hold on. Not crypto related, but that Jeffrey Epstein case is big. It is, but I don't. Yeah, it's interesting too, and JP Morgan's all up in that case too. It's actually kind of heartbreaking that they're all up in there like that. Space Chick got me 8 p.m. tomorrow. Oh, you're going on Space Chicks tomorrow at 8 p.m.? Okay, Dr. Ra. Yes. Yes. That's one thing that I quit doing a little bit, is going on other people's channel. I got to get back into that. Life has just been crazy. That's why they killed him, Selma. Yeah, they did. They took him out, man. They took him out. Have a great day, y'all. Heat, thanks. You too. You have a great day as well. Appreciate you stopping by. Dr. Rob can't wait for the chat, and I'll be there. I'll probably still be on a space. Hopefully not. Hopefully I'll be done. We'll be done because we're gonna go support Dr. Rob. We're gonna send everybody over to Space Chicks channel tomorrow. Going to put a and you guys. All right, Elmo, I got you. Yeah, Dr. Rob. Yeah, we're gonna send everybody over to Space Chicks tomorrow at 8 o'clock. So we'll start the space at 6:30. We'll send everybody over there at 8. We'll go support Space Chick and Dr. Rob over there, and make sure we get the family over there. Tim, good morning, brother. Glad you joined us. We're kind of at the end, but I'm glad you joined us this morning, man. Tim, I hope you're doing well, man. I hope everything's good with you. We're just kind of going over the schedule. It's 11 o'clock today with Dr. Rob on Twitter Space. 6:30 tomorrow with me on Twitter Space, and it looks like at 8 p.m. with Space Chick tomorrow. So looks like it's going to be a good week for everybody. called it. Curtis. Okay. I'll remember you called it. Big watch. Thank you. Tim Shea. Hey, big watch. ASR fans in the house. Come. Hi, ASMR fan. We're on our way out. Dr. Rob. This boy got to go get some work done. ASR fam, Tim. Just want to make sure we're not missing anybody. Everybody's just saying hi to each other. Fans in the building. Fan is up early this morning. I don't think she sleeps, but I think she's up early this morning. It's early out there on the West Coast. Fan got all the love in the chat. Hey, Curtis. Watched you, but yeah, the site's back up and running, guys. Go see what you got. Go see what you guys got going on. Go see what what properties you guys have. Let's talk about them at 11 o'clock today on the space. The Crypto Smith. Yeah, we're on our way out. The Crypto Smith. You're late, brother, but it's all right, man. I'm glad you dropped by. The Crypto Smith. Hope to see you at 11 today too in the space if you're free. Man, I got way behind on the chat today. I hope to see you at 11 if you're free. The Crypto Smith. We do have, like I said, I was telling everybody, we do have a space scheduled for 6:30 on tomorrow as well. On Tuesday, we're going to talk just a little bit about the general markets, some MMAI stuff. We're going to just go ahead and just talk about crypto in general. And then, it's not recorded, so everybody's just kind of free to talk about crypto and meme projects and how they're investing and what's going on and all that stuff. So, I hope everybody stops by, has that conversation with us. We'll take the conversation wherever it goes, and just kind of take it from there. Yeah, fan, 5 a.m. I can't believe you're up. It's early. Man, I got way behind on the chat today, guys. Sorry about that. I got way behind on the chat. I'm just clicking through everybody, make sure I didn't miss anything. We love Fan. Elmo, we do love Fan. Fan is amazing. I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she keeps up with everything. She is amazing. Let's go, Dr. Robbie. Let's go. Yeah. So you guys, with that, there's the schedule, guys. And let's all, when we have, like we said earlier, I want to leave you guys with this morning. When any cryptocurrency project you have has wins, celebrate the wins. The cryptocurrency market is filled with a lot of negativity already. So when any project has a win, kind of like Pepe, or kind of like MMAI with their properties and things like that, celebrate them wins, and be happy for them and celebrate with the communities and have fun. Have fun with this thing. Pepe is a meme. It's pumping right now. We're all having fun with it. We're all making money off of it. But treat it like it should be. It is a meme. So treat it like that. But let's have fun with it, guys. This market has been trading sideways for so long that people want this. Pepe is actually a breath of fresh air for the market. It's actually a good thing for the market. Keeps everybody moving, keeps everybody interested. But make sure you're putting money in it that you have. Don't be pulling your money out of good projects to run after these things, but at the same time, have fun with your trading experience as well. So with that, man, I'm gonna let you guys go this morning. This guy's got to go get some work done. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody who stopped by this morning and supported me. Big watch. We are supporting the train, man. I'm on the Pepe train. So, like I said, I encourage everybody, man, go have a little bit of fun. Go throw some money at this thing. Go have a little bit of fun. Throw some new money on at it and have some fun. Um, and enjoy yourself in this market. We don't get a chance to enjoy ourselves a lot. So enjoy yourself in this market, So with that, you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys at 11. I'll see you guys at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Dr. Rob's Space. And then we'll do this again tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. And I appreciate every single one of you. Fan, try to get some sleep. And I'll probably see you at 11 as well. So with that, everybody have a great morning. I appreciate you. And, trade safe, be safe, and protect your money. And I'll see you guys at 11 a.m. today and 7 a.m. tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.